Hi everyone, welcome. The topic for today is how to find the determinant of a matrix. So we have a matrix here: 1, 2, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 3, minus 2. So you're basically taking the first row and you're blocking it off, and you're taking the first column and you're blocking it off, right? Because that's where 1 exists. And it will be plus, minus, plus, minus, like this. So the first number, which is 1, will be plus 1, right? And then we cross multiplying, you could say minus 1 by minus 2 and 3 by 3. And then we minus in the product of those two. So we have minus 1, minus 2, 3, 3. Okay, and so you want to block off the row that isn't that 2 existing, and we want to block off the column that 2 existing. And now we will get 2 by minus 2 and 3 by 4. So 2 by minus 2 and 3 by 4. And because it's plus, negative, this 2 will turn to a negative 2. Right? And for the final one, minus 1, block off the row, block off the column. What we remain with is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. And this minus 1 will be multiplied by positive, so it will remain as minus 1. So let's write this over. We put plus 1 on the outside, we open brackets, and we say negative 1, right? Negative 1 multiplied by negative 2 minus 3 multiplied by 3. That'll give us 2, because negative 1 by negative 2 is 2, and 3 by 3 is 9. So 2 minus 9. And then we have 2 on the outside, open brackets, 2 by negative 2 minus 4 by 3. So this will give us 2 by negative 2 is negative 4 minus 4 by 3, which is 12. And for the third one, we have minus 1, open brackets, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. So 2 by 3 is 6, minus 1 by 4 is minus 4, and minus 4 by minus will give us plus 4. Alright, so 2 minus 9 is minus 7, plus minus 4 minus 12 by minus 2 will be 32, and 6 plus 4 by minus 1 will be minus 10. And if we add these up, we will get the determinant of 15. So just remember to block off your columns, and it will be so you won't make any mistakes. And yeah, that is how you calculate the determinant of our matrix. If you all found this video to be useful, please drop a like, subscribe, help me out a lot. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to calculate the determinant of a matrix on your calculator, so you can always double check your answers in exams and make sure they're correct. Okay guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate the determinant of a matrix using a scientific calculator. Here I'll be using the Sharp Advanced DAL because it's the most popular calculator in my region, you could say. But it usually works the same with other calculators once you understand the functions. So the first thing you want to do is change the mode of the calculator. So let's press mode. Let's scroll down. So we find matrices. We press 4. Now we have entered matrix mode. So press down again. Then asks us how many rows the matrix have. We say 3. We press M plus. They ask us how much columns the matrix have. 3. M plus again. So they're asking us for the first row and the first column, what is the element? 1. Add for the first row and the second column, what is the element? 2. Okay, M plus again. And now for the third element, -1 and plus. Right, we're moving on to the second row now. 2 plus, right, -1 plus 3 plus, right, third row, 4 plus 3 and plus -1 and plus. Right, and if we scroll through, you'll see what we entered. So 3 rows, 3 columns, 1, 2, -1, 2, -1, 3, 4, 3, -2. Right, we could clear this and we could go into math. Right, you'll see storage, which is 2, and we store it as matrix A, so we just press 0. So now it's stored as matrix A. So all we have to do now, I mean, you can double check to see if it worked by saying matrix A, 0, right, 0, multiply by 1 will give us this matrix here, which is the same one we use. Okay, and it's correct. So to calculate the determinant of the matrix now, say math, you scroll down, we go into math again for determinant and transpose. This is where you get the options for it. You press 0 for determinant, you go back to math, you go back to where we stored it, matrix A, and we hit enter. And just like that, we'll get 15. And in the previous video, I showed you how we manually worked it out, and we end up getting 15. So this is just to show you that it works, and you know, if you know, it could be very useful for you guys, and so on. So